Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play Style Showdown on Dress to Impress. So let's head on over to Style Showdown. I'm just going to join the server real quick. So you'll need a minimum of 6 players. 6 is the best way to go if you want to win. If there's 10, it's a little bit harder. I'm just going to tell you that right now, because there will be like more players to choose from. I think I was against a lot of people and it was like a little bit more challenging to do. But basically you're just going to try to win with your outfits and with the limited time you have. You only have 30 minutes for every round, and sometimes in a round they will give you like disadvantages. For instance, sometimes you get like speed round, which makes it 1 minute and 30 seconds. Sometimes you also get what else would you get? I don't remember. Oh, like you cannot take off an item, or you're given like an item that you cannot take off. So, oh, I'm walking very slow. I'm just going to show you like the first round so you can like kind of understand the gameplay a little bit. Also, just skip it. People will tell you to skip the intro because, I don't know, they don't have the time. And they will say it a lot in chat, like skip, skip, skip. Like right now. There we go. You'll be also given themes as well. I think on the first round, you're not given like any challenge yet. So the round theme is famous. You wanna be famous. I'm gonna be Taylor Swift because why not? Yeah, that's pretty much it really. That's how you can play Style Showdown. Also, if you have custom makeup, just make sure you do that before. But I like to do it now because I think I have time even though I don't have time. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.